Hello, welcome to this video. We are going to solve for x in 2 log of x minus log bracket x minus 2 is equal to 3 log of 2 by use of the following laws of logarithm. We are going to rewrite 2 log of x by use of this law, whereby when the index is in front of the logarithm, we can bring it up here. So this part will become log of x squared, and also the last part here will become log of 2 cubic. 2 cubic is 8. So our expression will becomes log of x squared minus log of x minus 2 close the bracket is equal to log of 8. Then we make use of the second law of logarithm, which tells us that the quotient of logarithm is the same as subtracting the two values. So instead of log of x squared minus log bracket x minus 2, we are going to rewrite it in this form: log of bracket a over b, so that this part becomes log of bracket x squared divided by x minus 2, which is equivalent to log of 8. So we can cancel log both sides, so that we'll be left with x squared over x minus 2 is equal to 8. We can multiply both sides by the denominator, so that we shall be left with x squared, which is equal to 8, into bracket x minus 2. Removing the bracket, 8 minus x will be 8x. 8 times negative 2 will be 16. This is equal to x squared. Rearranging our equation, we shall have x squared minus 8x plus 16 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation, which we are going to factorize as follows. The middle part can be written as negative 4x minus 4x plus 16. This is equal to 0. We can factorize the first two, whereby x is common. When you factorize x, x squared will be left with the x. From negative 4x, we will be left with the 4. In the last two terms, negative 4 is common, so factorizing negative 4, you shall be left with x, then negative 4. This is equal to 0. So we can clearly see that x minus 4 is common. So in the first term, we are left with the x, and in the last term, we are left with the 4. This one is equivalent to 0. So this implies that either x minus 4 is equal to 0, or x minus 4 is equal to 0, meaning that x is equal to 4, taking negative to the right hand side will become positive, or x is equal to 4. So our value of x is equal to 4 from what we had been told to do. Recap: here you are given 2 log of x minus log of bracket x minus 2 is equal to 3 log of 2. So we have made use of this law of logarithm, whereby the index can come in top, and we have written this part as log of x squared, and this other last part we have written it as log of 2 power 3. Then we have made use of this law of logarithm here, which tells us that if you have log of two numbers divided, it's the same as log of the first number minus log of the second number. In our case, we are given this part, so we have rewritten it as per this left part here. Then from there, we have cancelled log both sides, so that we are left with the x squared over x minus 2 as equal to 4. Then we have solved this. We have rearranged this equation to become a quadratic equation shown here, and then we have factorized it. this way. Then from there, we have obtained our value of x as equal to 4, which is clearly correct because when you have 4 squared is 16. 16 plus 16 is 32. Negative 8 times 4 is 32. So you have 32 minus 32, which is equal to 0. Hence, from what we were given to solve here, our value of x is equal to 4. Thanks so much for taking your time to study with me. For more such learning, remember you can join my channel.